This will not speak for all Jeeps, but this just speak for my Jeep. For my Jeep, bro. What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young J, man, and I know y'all see we back with another video gang, but I know y'all see by that title, man, I'm gonna be showing y'all boys a 1-year ownership Jeep review, you feel me? I'm gonna let y'all know what it's like owning a Jeep for a year, letting you know should you buy it, you feel me? What I think about it, the maintenance. I'm about to break down everything for y'all real quick, bro, so y'all just make sure y'all stay tuned, bro. But without further ado, make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe button, and let's get to the video, gang. So to start it off, you feel me? Only big things that I really had to do with my Jeep, that I say the biggest thing that I had to do with my Jeep after owning it for a year, bro, is change the rack of pinion, bro. Now, see, only reason I had to change my rack of pinion specifically is because my truck came out the auction. I bought my Jeep out the auction and it was already wrecked in the front, and I didn't know how bad the damages was. I just seen the front was wrecked, and I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna get a new front bumper, whole new front end body kit. So I wasn't really worried about, you feel me, the front being wrecked until I got it. I was driving it and stuff, and then eventually I realized the steering wheel was kind of loose. So I brought it to a shop. I tried to get an alignment, and he was saying he couldn't align it. And he was showing me that the actual rack of pinion was snapped in half. So that's what made me be like, wow. So I had to search up how much for a rack of pinion. That's a pretty expensive job. It's not too expensive, but just for like swapping a part out, I say. But it's a lot of work you got to do too. So it's a costly little job, you feel me? But that's probably like the most expensive thing that I ever had to do to this Jeep so far, you feel me? And that really ain't nothing that you would have to worry about if you was to just buy like a brand new one, anything in that nature, you feel me? But I'ma just next up, I'm gonna let y'all know only other things that I really had to do with this truck, bro. I had to get like an oil change, and I got a friend of mine to change the transmission fluid because I just wanted to change it because I knew the amount of time that I spent just like it already coming out the auction, and the amount of time that I'm gonna spend driving in and stuff, I just rather them change the whole transmission fluid and all that, the pan, change all that, you feel me? Because I know I'm gonna be driving this sometime. Next up, you feel me, as far as oil change, brakes, calibers, you feel me? Like I personally, I wanted to change the brake calibers and the rotors, so that's not something that I had to do. That's something that I prefer to do, you feel me? But that's just like regular maintenance, stuff like that. As far as like bumps and, well, I got a new rack of pinion now. So it's like, as far as bumps and all that, I really don't have no problem with it. I could go straight over them now. It's not loose steering. The steering wheel pretty tight now. I like how it is now, I ain't gonna lie. So to me, bro, 1-year ownership, having a Jeep, bro, I really recommend you buy a Jeep, bro, just because it's so much that you could do with them, bro. It's a reliable vehicle. As long as you take care of it, do the regular little maintenance, knickknacks to it, you'll be alright, bro. So that's really my advice for anybody who looking to buy a Jeep, looking to get one, interested in, want to know how the maintenance and stuff go. But I will say, this is a V6 Jeep, so this is not a V8 5764 track. This is none of that. This is a regular V6. So this will not speak for all Jeeps, but this just speak for my Jeep. For my Jeep, bro, I haven't had any issues, bro, and I drive it every day, almost every day, you feel me? So that was really, I ain't gonna really make the video too long, but that was it for this video, man. If you new, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Young J. I'm gonna catch up with y'all boys in the next video, man. If y'all got any questions, you already know, put it down in the comment section. I'm gonna get back with y'all though. But I'm out of I got a few errands to run and stuff like that. I love y'all, man. I'm gonna catch up with y'all boys in the next video. We out, gang. Peace.
Bro, no trigger happy, every Glock came with a stendo. Say when we spin this bitch, don't swing my dough, hang out the window. This bitch gon' do whatever I fucking say, like bitch Caprendo.